iHRMS from Indovision is an intelligent HR solution that is a combination of hardware and software resources designed to manage an organization's computerized and automated human resource processes using web and mobile-based applications. This module is useful when we need to perform bulk hiring of employees. In Indovision, iHRMS has three different kinds of login IDs, that is employee, admin and super admin login ID. We will discuss this module only for super admin ID as it is not present in employee ID and it is just the same as here in admin ID. First part is hiring. Here we perform that bulk hiring of employees. But let's check these options first. In change status, we can change hiring status of many employees at once. Here we have options to select hiring agency, company or branch name, and status, the hiring status. And in the table we have all the required columns of candidate name, profile, status, remark, interview date, interviewer, job code, circle, and others. And to change hiring status, we have to select employees with these checkboxes and then select status from here. And then update. See, the status is changed now. We can also update date of resume received from here and interviewer name and then update, and it will be reflected here in interviewer and date of CV shared. Next is bulk edit. Here we can change profile status of multiple employees at once. For example, if I change this one and this one and select these checkboxes here because you want to update only these two, then press update. Data updated successfully. See, these two are changed now. And again we can copy this table too outside of iHRMS info portal with these options. Next is attach CV. Here we can upload CVs of multiple employees at once. For example, I choose this one and then this one. I'm choosing a JPEG, but we can also upload a PDF here. Then select these two checkboxes. Then upload. Two candidate data successfully updated. Here we can see them. And this one too. It was the same image. Now let's return. Here we can import hiring data of multiple future employees at once. It is done by uploading a CSV file here. And to know format of that file, we can download a sample sheet from here. Here it is. This is it with all the necessary fields. Let's add some employees now. I am changing values in these fields. Source and agency names are just codes. Then candidate name. Then profile. We can leave it as such. Then ABE category. Here we have some codes that we can refer to with this list. No need to change them either. Then we have status. It also contains codes. We can change this code with this drop down menu, and these codes are here. Hiring status codes. In our file, we have status of 3, that is shortlisted, and 4, offered. We can leave it as such. Then drop remarks. Circle also have codes, and here is the list of circle codes. Then we have reference from. It also have codes up to 4, and it is here, reference codes. And then we have other important fields like location applied for, currently based at, company designation, qualification. We can leave them as such. We should change the phone number because then there would be 2 employees with same number. And email ID here. Now this is an Excel sheet. We first need to convert it in a CSV file. Save. And now we can upload this. Select agency name, company or branch name, then department or vertical, we are picking anyone, and then the CSV file. Upload. Is that list. See the job codes that we have changed, candidate name, and all the other things. Now to save it. 2 entries successfully saved. Now as I know that one of the employee has the hiring status code of 3, that he's shortlisted, so we can find him in employee management module in pending for offer. Here he is, employee test. This is today's date and this is the job code I entered. And we have all those same details here too. And to release the offer letter, we can click this button. Here we can fill in the employee details in add new employee. See, employee email address and employee name and contact number, they are already filled. We have to fill all these details and then submit. And then that employee will show up in offered employees. From there, he can join the list of joined employees, or if he rejects the offer, he will be in the offer rejected list. We can also add a new employee from here. We got the same form, but this is to add a single employee only. Hiring management module can add multiple employees at once. Next part is customer hiring report. In this part, we can check hiring status of employees in all of the company and its branches, and more details, and the agency from where they are hired, and all the details. This is how the bulk hiring is performed in Indovision IHRMS.